Oil change on my Husqvarna, and well, this is the review part. If you want to check out the oil change part, make sure you yeah, check out my channel. It's on there somewhere.
That is my daddy.
Come on. Review on my Husqvarna with the Kohler, my zero turn. I'm Vert, and this is Vert's video. I just did an oil change on this baby. Don't mind the background. I haven't cleaned up the yard to mow yet. But this is a review. And I just wanted to give you a few pointers, maybe show you a few things right off the bat if you're thinking about buying one of these. This is a Z254 model. It's freaking awesome. Best part about it, made in the USA. First things first, the belt tensioner pulley spring. That sucker broke on me the first day I was mowing my tall ass grass, and I'll find the clip and put on there, but here's what my yard looks like now. We've actually got it mowed. Right now it's mowed on setting number 3, which is just like 1.5 inches, I believe, maybe 2 inches. But yeah, that's what it looks like now. But yeah, as I was struggling coming up the hill, you know, and I decided just to stop, just to not mow coming up. So, but anyways, I broke the spring. It literally just snapped. That right there. Connects over here. I had to look at my neighbor to find out where it connected at. He's got one like this. He's got the Lowe's one with the smaller Briggs on it. I had to special order this one from Mowers Direct because I wanted the big Kohler engine. Anyways, yeah, so what I did here is I took a piece of rubber from a cheap set of pliers. Here's another piece. It's just like really thick rubber. And I put in there because there's nothing there. It's just a drilled hole in metal, so it was literally just wearing, you know, because of the vibrations, it was just wearing right into that. And in here, this is just a hose clamp, but it works great. I haven't had any problems with it since. And all it does is that pulley is able to slide back and forth, you know, with the belts and stuff, like the pressure, the tension. That's all it is. Okay, so there's that. I guess I shouldn't really even call this a review because this is more like the bad that I've noticed about the mower. Out of 10, I'm gonna give it a 8. You know what I mean? Like price point, reliability, starts right up. I think that's got a lot to do with the engine. The engine's very powerful. Cuts great. I wish it would have came with something to pull this up, but I'm gonna make something. But as you can tell, I've already chewed that up by bumping into stuff, coming around corners and stuff. I'm gonna make something to pull that up. I'm gonna look on YouTube to find stuff. But yeah, I mean, it's really easy to adjust the deck. Got several different points to adjust it. If the ground is at all wet, you're done. I'll try to throw in some video in through here, but long story short, these tires, you know, that's what steers you. And if the ground is at all wet, one spins a little bit, it's going to throw off the whole thing you're trying to do. And also, it's going to be really hard to stop or to turn. So, and you could start out like today, if the grass was like 3 or 4 inches high, and then went to mow it down to 1 or 1.5, you know, it would be wetter as you get closer to the ground, especially on humid days. And before you know it, you're going to be spinning tires. And I wish I could find a spot in the yard. No, you can't really see it. I mowed last week. But you can see where you'll see spots in the yard where you just tear it up the grass because you're trying to. Here you go, right here. I don't know if you can see that. But that's if it's at all wet. But with that in mind, let's go to the good. check this out. That this connects to your water hose. You know, you put that on, pow. It's a quick connect. And what that does is you run the deck with the water running through it, and it helps clean the deck out. That way you don't have to try to figure out how to get the grass, you know, out any other way. All right, just got done mowing. Look how dusty. Where I was setting it. I'm covered. But check this out. We're gonna clean out the deck. Like so. Quick connect. Boom. I had done that backwards, but you get the point. Let's do this right. Hold up. Alright, so I screwed that onto the water hose, and we just put that on. Bam! Now, hop in, put the deck all the way up. I think you gotta put the deck all the way up, but I am, because, turn on the water. This gets to your belts. It's very cool that this is here. And I thought it was going to come right off, but it's not wanting to. We'll edit this part. Now I'll pop that up. Now we can get to the belts. As you can tell, I really need to clean my mower out, but this will be an easy way to get the belts on. You got your cotter pins there. A little messy, but I'm not going to clean it out here because this is where everybody plays at. And there's your service chart. I mean, everything on this mower is like mowers for dummies type deal. There's your engine belt routing. Mowing for dummies. Now this ain't no Dixie shopper. You ain't going to get the checkered pattern and everything like that. You don't have chains on the deck. You can't freaking floor it through wet grass. You can't floor it and expect it to mow very good if it's heavy grass. But it's very versatile. It makes everything easier. You still can go quicker than a regular riding lawnmower, and you get around them trees no problem. So let's fire it up. Me can quit talking. Let's fire it up. Real easy here. You'll have both arms out, all the way out in the outward position. That's your parking brake. Turn that on. We'll pull back the choke. We'll make sure from the beginning that valve right there, that red valve, is turned on. If you watch my earlier videos, you'll see that I tried to start the thing right out of the crate after getting oil without even checking to see if that was on. I thought something was wrong. This is your mower blades. Engage, disengage, and engage. Here we go. Fires right up. It's got some power. Real. We'll get going. Really easy to do, even one-handed. Turns in a dime, but it's already spinning tires really bad. guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Give you a better idea if you want to go the Husqvarna zero turn or not. But here's what's up next on the channel. I'm gonna buy a couple more of these so we can shoot. I don't know. I've also got sparklers too. This was from old firework, and then aluminum foil. But yeah, that's probably gonna be the next video. I probably won't have that up for another week though. But I also just want to launch just one of these with the wings on it, and just see what happens. But yeah, just some ideas for the channel. Peace. Subscribe, like, share, pass it around. I almost forgot. Thanks for watching Bird's videos.